Hello, dear brother and sister. Welcome to the lunch video of the 7-day, 1,200 calorie meal plan for weight loss series. Here is a crucial question to ask, and the question is, did you watch the first video about the breakfast of our 7-day, 1,200 calorie meal plan for weight loss series? If yes, thanks for watching. If you haven't watched it, please view the first video now because you have to have breakfast before lunch. Remember, our recommended meals are portion controlled, healthy, nutritionally adequate, containing the necessary body nutrients. You will not feel hungry, which makes it easy to observe this plan faithfully. You will start seeing results in a short while. So let's subscribe to our channel if you are already not a subscriber and watch the second video of this series now. Day 1. Lunch. White bean and avocado toast. 1 slice whole wheat bread toasted. Half an avocado mashed. 1/4 cup white beans mashed. Salt and pepper. Top toast with avocado and white beans. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper, and whenever wanted, crushed red pepper. Day 2 lunch. 1 serving apple and cheddar pita pockets. Day 3 lunch. 4 cups fig and goat cheese salad. Day 4 lunch. Black bean quinoa bowl with hummus dressing. Half cup cooked quinoa. 1/4 cup black beans. 1/4 avocado diced. 3 tablespoons pico de gallo or salsa. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. To make dressing, combine 3 tablespoons hummus with 1 tablespoon each lime juice and warm water. Add more water if needed for desired consistency. Combine quinoa, black beans, avocado, pico de gallo or salsa, and cilantro in a bowl. Top with hummus dressing and, if desired, hot sauce. Day 5 lunch. Green salad with pita bread and hummus. 2 cups mixed greens. Half cup sliced cucumber. 2 tablespoons grated carrot. 2 teaspoons balsamic vinegar. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1 6-inch whole wheat pita bread toasted. 1/4 cup hummus. Combine greens, cucumber, and carrot and toss with vinegar and oil. Season with a pinch each salt and pepper. Serve with the toasted pita bread and hummus. Day 6 lunch. 1 serving roasted veggie and quinoa salad. Day 7 lunch. 2 cups vegetable weight loss soup. Finally, you finally made up your mind to lose some pounds. With the several diet options out there, a more straightforward option like this won't be a bad idea. So stock your food with nutrient-rich foods and reduce how much calories you're consuming. Thanks for watching our second video on this 7-day weight loss diet series.